If AirDrop isn't working on your iPhone 17 after the iOS 27 update, allow AirDrop in Screen Time settings. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Screen Time settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on Content and Privacy restrictions down below. Next, tap on Other features. Here, select AirDrop and make sure it's set to Allowed. Hopefully, this brings the AirDrop option back. If not, reset Location System Services. Open the Settings app. Scroll down to the bottom and open Privacy and Security settings. Here, tap on Location Services. Scroll down just a bit and select System Services at the bottom. Now, turn off Cell Network Search, as well as networking and wireless. Then restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up and volume down buttons one after the other. Then immediately press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Wait for your iPhone to restart. Once your iPhone turns back on, return to the same menu and turn both options back on. If AirDrop still isn't working, try to refresh your wireless connection. Open the Settings app. Here, select the Wi-Fi settings. Now turn Wi-Fi off. Wait for a couple of seconds and turn it back on. Then do the same for Bluetooth as well. You can also enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. Now check if AirDrop is working. Still having the same issue? Refresh AirDrop connection. Inside the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down just a bit and open the General settings. Look for the AirDrop settings and open it. Here, select everyone for 10 minutes. If the issue is still not resolved, reset network settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and then go to General settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, select Reset. Then tap on Reset Network Settings from the options. Keep in mind that this will remove your saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairings, and other network settings. After the reset is complete, unlock your phone and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and pair your Bluetooth devices again. Now check if your AirDrop is working properly. And finally, check if a software update is available. Open the Settings app and go to General Settings. Here, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, install it and try using AirDrop again. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed your AirDrop issue.